Hi, welcome to In the Cooler, fishing show for the fish eater. I'm your host, Chris Davis. Warning, this video will contain graphic scenes. Viewer discretion is advised. Every time we go fishing, we always bring our ruler, cause if that fish is big enough, we put him in our cooler. Take him home, fillet him up real nice, invite over some friends for a feast tonight.
We in the cooler.
I'm the host that brings the most. My wife and I fish Florida from coast to coast.
We in the
My
cooler.
kayak, boat, paddle, board, and land. We even working on our in the cooler fishing stand.
We in the cooler.
I'm the host that brings the most. My wife and I fish Florida from coast to coast. My kayak, boat, paddle, board, and land. We even working on our in the cooler fishing stand.
We in the cooler.
All right, it's a special episode of In the Cooler. We're doing a different hunting of a different kind today. We're here with Central Florida Trophy Hunts out of Cocoa, Florida. We got Chris, we got Jacob, we got Paul, we got Joe, and we got the man of the hour, Michael. And we're doing this for a bachelor party. My son's getting married, baby boy's getting married, and he wanted to go hunting for his bachelor party, so we decided to call Central Florida Trophy Hunts, and we're gonna go out and see if we can get us a couple of boar. This is the very first time we've ever done anything like this on In the Cooler. If you watch In the Cooler, you know we are a fishing show. But because the kids wanted to go hunting, I figured it'd be a great opportunity to get this on video, get a nice episode. So I called my older brother Joe from Dallas, had to have him here. We got down here this morning. We're here, we got the truck ready, the dogs are loaded, and we're getting ready to go out and see if we can put us some pigs in the cooler.
And then on the four-wheeler is Trapper.
All right. What's the dog's names again?
Merle,
Merle.
he's the old man. This is Cash, he's the puppy of the bunch. Tucker.
Tucker.
Silence on that thing, my God.
Yeah.
You seen that, Chris? Huh? You got suppressor on this.
Do it if you can. Put him in that back. Hey, hold on, guys. He's got one caught too.
They got one caught?
Yeah.
All right, we got two. We got two hogs. We got a hog. We got a hog in pursuit with a dog, and we have a dog on a hog. So we're getting ready to get some action.
Got it.
All right, we're on our first pig. We can hear him. You need to hold that bad boy like you're ready, son. Oh, that's a nice hog. Yeah, that's a small one. All right, we got our first pig. The question is it going to be big enough for us to take? Or do we want to take one that size? Joe, going first?
Now, it's up to y'all. Y'all want to let this one go and keep hunting, or y'all want to go ahead and kill him? This hog's 70 pounds.
Would that be the
Catch up, dog.
would that be the one for the smoker?
It'd be good if it's smoking hog, sure.
Yeah. Go ahead, Joe.
All right, you want me to let him stand up, or you want to do him on the ground?
I want to do them on the ground.
Okay. Right behind that shoulder. Come on this side.
Like right here?
A little bit further forward. A little bit this way. Right there, and I'll come straight up and down. Pull it out.
All right. First pig, Joe Strand.
It's their lungs, man.
In the cooler.
It's air coming out. Yeah.
That's it. Yeah, I mean that.
It's actually really quick.
Yeah, or maybe you can drag it.
Go ahead, he's bleeding good, ain't he?
Yeah, well, I just stuck him in there just to get all that blood out of him too, since y'all are gonna smoke him. We'll do that as well.
It's all yours, though. That is a good smoking pig, man.
That's a good smoking pig right there.
Go and grab this blood too, put it on your face.
Yeah, you got to rub some blood on your face, Joe.
We'll put him back here on the back. Mike, you want top now? Yeah, I get top.
In the cooler.
In the cooler.
They got another dog or another hog. I don't mean to rhyme, it just happened that way sometimes. We're getting out here and we're getting on them. I can't stress this enough. If you guys want to do this, if you want to come out, some safe hunting with a really, really good team, give Central Florida Trophy Hunts a call. Tell them in the cooler section.
Yeah, right behind the shoulder, bud.
You want to get the dog first?
Yeah, go for it. Hit him. Rear back and hit him. Hold on.
Lay him on the side.
That'll do. Don't do it, bro. Let him however he wants to.
You want to put him down? So put him down, come right at him.
There he is.
Nice shot. Yeah.
Straight down. Pull it out. Yeah.
He ain't done.
And, bro.
He done.
Yeah, he's done. He just don't know it quite
Let
yet.
that breathe out real quick.
Hey, punch.
Breathe it out. Breathe it out.
All right. All right, that's two.
There you go.
Joe's got his. The man of the hour got his. Let's go.
That thing is sharp as hell. Just a misfit on that.
You can always eat, fellas. You can always eat. Yep. It don't have to be always fish.
That's right.
We can always eat in the cooler, baby.
Cooler, baby.
In the cooler, country boy style.
Be up here somewhere. Right here, to our left, Yeah, grab that. Grab his back leg.
You don't want to get wet, don't get down.
Yeah, here.
Hey, get the spear, get the spear. Give it a cut, give it a cut.
Good job, Chris. Good job. Turn him on the side. Turn him on the side. Grab his second leg.
Both legs.
Flip him over. All right, there you go.
Get him right down. Go ahead.
Yeah.
Spore in the cooler.
It looks like it.
They just put a little ass.
Grab his legs now, Spore. That's yours. You dragging them in there. Go ahead, bro.
You don't want him to run. You let him.
Yeah,
Keep holding on to it because they'll get up and run. Be careful.
I don't think he was running in front of
No.
Oh, that was a quick one. That was boom, boom.
Chris grabbed him. You know, he's just trying to apply for a position. Hey. Y'all hiring. Y'all just looking for a new job. We all gonna get out in the fucking cooler.
In the fucking
cooler. I got that shit on the
All right, from the sounds of it, dogs got another pig. We already got 3. We need 3 more. That'll fill our tag for the day. This is Florida Trophy Hunt.
Oh, you want this spear or pistol? That's a big one.
Red hog. Nice red hog.
Nice red hog.
Yeah,
Nice.
Let me get the dogs, guys. Let me get the dogs. Hey, if y'all can't grab the dogs, watch the hog.
There you go.
Stand on the side for me. Y'all want it too? Y'all want the pistol or you want that?
Shit, give him the pistol. You want
Shoot, you wanted to shoot it, Paul. Shoot it.
Shoot his ass. Shoot his ass, Paul. You want to do it?
Yeah. Where do you want me to bring him, Grayson?
Take care of that thing,
Hey, the safety. Let me show you where the safety's at on that. Yeah. Safety. It's on safety. Down is fired. Okay. Hey, Josh, plug your ears.
Right on his nose. I'm moving, right? Right in the head, Paul.
No.
Right in the head.
He's gonna shoot it right in the head, in the ear.
Get ready, y'all. Let's do this.
Go ahead. Shoot it.
Woo!
There it is.
Over with.
That's the fastest way right there.
In the cooler.
Thank you, sir.
Paul, the bear.
Bear.
No.
The bear.
Hey, Paul, go ahead and drag him into the... Yeah.
Yeah.
That's a different kind, isn't it?
It's just a different color.
No, it's just color like this.
It's good.
Drag him.
You still want to bleed him, Grayson? Yeah.
Right in the throat. Paul, slice his throat. I'll slice it.
Dogs did a good job.
Up front, Josh, on the dash.
Boy. I would have let you went through hell. No, that's every day.
I know.
That's every day for him. Grab the other 2 legs and throw his ass up there.
No, that's just nerves, yeah.
Cash.
Hey, Mike, grab those other 2 legs, hold them out.
You got that, man. That's his skill.
Yeah.
No, Paul been working out every day.
Shit.
Paul, grab my back.
One leg.
Hold on, I'll help him. Or here,
No, he got it.
You got it?
Throw that motherfucker in there.
There he is. There he
That
is.
boy just play offensive line.
That's the bear.
That's a bear right there.
Still hold on.
4 down. 2 to
I
go.
missed the shot.
2 to
He
go.
dead. He fucking right in the ear. Nah, he dead.
Look at his ear, man. That shit gushing.
In the cooler.
We got another pig. We got another pig.
You gonna get it, Chris?
Hey,
They're kicking up some dust.
if one of you guys is gonna catch you, you gotta get there quick before he hits the line.
You getting away.
Oh yeah. Ain't gonna get away. Ain't getting away today, baby.
Get him, boy. Get him, boy. Oh my God.
Covering some biscuits. God, man.
Get him, guys. Whoever's gonna catch him, catch him. Catch him if you don't catch him.
Get the legs. Get the legs. Get the legs. There you go. Get the dog. Get the dog. Get the dog. Michael, just hold it. There it is. You ready, Chris? Get him back on the side.
Hold him on his both legs. Both legs. Hey,
Put your foot on his neck.
there you go. Get him, Chris. Right there. Pull it out. Turn it sideways. Get another couple in there. Turn it sideways. Turn it sideways. No, get in there and turn it.
There you go.
All right. That's 5. Only 1 left. Yours truly.
Keep going. Stab it. Keep going.
Y'all ain't gotta grab no more. We doing that for the rest of the time. Grab Chris, grab Chris.
Good job, Chris.
She grabbed the whole time now.
Down.
That motherfucker heavy. Boy.
Come on.
Tired.
I don't know.
Drag him on over.
You cut him, drag him over there.
I'm tired.
Hold on,
Tired.
breathe out real quick.
Chris said,
I got him.
I don't think you were ready when I got that one.
Oh, he's still.
You're going to have to grab him and just toss him up, just like the rest of them.
No, he's the old man. Oh, yeah?
There you go. There you go.
Hey, you know you lift that leg up, it's going
That's
in.
number 5. That's number 5. I got to get one and we can get...
Yeah, you nuts.
Got to be honest with you, this is a great opportunity. I don't know about great opportunity, but it's just amazing hunting charter.
Yeah.
Central Florida trophy hunts. Central Florida trophy hunts. We got 5 out of 6 so far, and I'm the only one who hasn't got one, which means I'm next. We'll be right back. We'll be right back. Right back. More in the cooler.
In the cooler, baby. You know what we doing? That's right. See the blood? See the blood?
Cool.
Ooh, but you're like a Maasai warrior with that thing in your hand. You want to come hunting, you want to bring the family hunting, you got an event, our case, bachelor party. Give these guys a call. Central Florida Trophy Hunts. Central Florida Trophy Hunts. You will not be disappointed. And now you have Joseph, the Texas snake whisperer. As he approaches the snake, he eases up on it. Notice his hands. They're like claws, ready for the snake to reach out. I don't think we should be going any further. In the cooler.
In the cooler.
To the right. Over here. To the right.
Let's go, let's go. Joe, move.
What?
Joe, come on, Joe. Come on, Dad.
Hey, y'all young ones, run up there. Us old ones, we gonna walk
About
up
that
there.
time.
Cooler.
In the cooler.
In the cooler.
Go grab him, Joe.
In the cooler, hog hunting. Rude boy.
Grab them boys, get them boys.
Rude boy. Come on, rude boy. Rude boy.
Right here, Dad. Right here, Dad, to the left.
Rude boy. Flip him down, flip him down. I got him. Hey. Put on the neck.
Hey, hey.
Tucker!
Now, got him.
Make sure you keep holding his legs there for a second. Let him get them last breaths out.
That's enough, Michael.
Wipe it on the ground. Joe, take the knife. Dad, grab that bang. Grab it and take it to the truck.
All right. In the cooler.
In the cooler, rude boy. From the island.
Now.
Alright, dog draw in.
Go ahead, Dad. Finish it out.
All right, that's gonna do it for this episode of In the Cooler. No, it's not. We got some more work to do. ITC.
And when you guys film.
All right. That's gonna do it for this episode of In the Cooler. Something new, something different. We've never done hog hunting before. We've never done any other hunting other than fishing. So I recommend it if you want to come out, you want to get a nice hog with your family, you want to experience this fun, super fun time, absolutely amazing time. Don't forget to check out Central Florida Trophy Hunts. That's Central Florida Trophy Hunts. Can't say enough about these guys. It's a very professional company. We all had a good time and we all got a pig. So, like I said before, that's gonna do it. Don't forget to check out the website. Don't forget to follow us on In the Cooler on Twitter, YouTube, Instagram. The fastest growing fishing show in the state of Florida. The fishing show for the fish eater. In the Cooler.